Where does the name for Berthengam come from? So today I'm in Berthengam. It's a small village that's kind of attached and kind of south of Trelorgan in Flintshire. Let's dive into the name. So the name's made of two parts. First we have Berthen. Now Berthen is the soft mutation of Perthen, which means a hedge. Why is it mutated? Because it's a feminine noun, so it mutates after the word which means the. So even though that word has dropped now, it still retains that mutation. And then we have Gam. Now Gam is the soft mutation of Cam, which means crooked. Why is that soft mutated? Because when adjectives are attached to a feminine noun, they soft mutate as well. So the name literally means the crooked hedge. Anyway, diolch, thank you, give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.